Every day morning, you wake up before sunrise, load laterite stones from the nearby quarry, and drive for miles to deliver them to the construction site across Karnataka. The truck isn't just metal and tires, it pays your EMI, livelihood, and your fuel. Now imagine that it's been over 45 days that your truck has moved, not because of EMI, not because of fuel rates, but because of source of work. The laterite stone quarries have suddenly shut down. No warning, no explanation, and no plan B. This year, district authorities have halted quarry works across Mudbidri, Karkala, and surrounding cities, citing for license irregularities. The intention is to regulate operation. But in doing this, they fail to answer one question. What happens to the truck drivers, laborers, small businesses who depend on the quarries? In 2022, there were 257 3A valid quarry permits in this region. But in this year, there are just 4 active. And for the past 6 months, the government hasn't issued a single new permit. Now, this isn't about illegal mining. It is about the broken permit system. What happens when a truck stops? Every truck has an ideal cost. The truck owners have to pay even if the trucks are not working. As the truck owners from there reported, they have EMIs up to 18 to 28,000 per month. Insurance up to 35,000 annually they were paying. Fuel charges 6 to 7,000. Driver salary, loading workers, maintenance, all costs are still ongoing. Now, how are they supposed to pay this? Now, multiply that across 1,000 trucks that are sitting idle in this region. Truck owners are defaulting on loans, borrowing to survive, and also selling out some vehicle parts for survival. Banks continue to send them seizure notice, but the government responds they are working on it. Now, how are truck owners supposed to survive this? You might think it's just a trucking issue, but quarry workers are sitting at home. Construction workers also wait for that material that doesn't arrive. Mechanics, tea stall owners, petrol pumps, everyone are losing income. Families of drivers are dipping up their savings and pulling out children from school. It all started with one decision that was made without their consultation. And 45 days is not easy to survive. While local truck owners sit idle, many construction sites are sourcing laterite from outside regions. What truck owners are asking is, reduce issuing 3A permits transparently. Reduce royalty rates which matches the neighboring states. And one important thing they are asking is, provide EMI reliefs or payments until the operation resumes. This is their basic survival request. Because this quarry shutdown has put 1,000 trucks idle in this region. Until there is transparent, structured solution, the trucks will remain parked, and the silence of the authorities will grow louder. Let us know your view on this issue in the comment section, and let us all support the Karnataka drivers so that they get what they deserve. Thank you for watching.